Should you be saving money in an IRA or in a Roth IRA? You know, it's interesting that a lot of people now have the opportunity through their work retirement plans to either choose to go with the Roth or to go still with the traditional. Everybody can go through and do a Roth outside of work or a traditional IRA outside of work, depending upon your income limits. There are some restrictions if you make too much money. However, it's always a question whether you should go Roth or go IRA. And just to understand a little bit of the difference between the two of them is an IRA is a tax deduction today, but you're going to end up paying taxes on the entire account in the future. Versus a Roth IRA, you settle the taxes today, and then the entire account in the future is tax-free. So I always like to say, biblically, would you rather pay taxes on the seeds or on the entire crop? And usually the answer is the seeds. The seeds would be the Roth IRA. The entire crop is the IRA. So a lot of discussion though with your CPA, professionals who do taxes, software that do taxes, because all of them say to put money into the IRA, get the tax deductions this year so you're in the lowest tax brackets. And usually the comment is you'll be in a much lower tax bracket when you stop working at the time when you're going to actually need those retirement funds. And here's my question to you. If we're talking about just Social Security, not pensions, not other investments, not other income sources, just Social Security, in retirement, do you feel that you'll be able to live the lifestyle that you want to live based off of just the money you're getting from Social Security? If that is the case, then okay, I maybe would agree with the IRA, but most people say, no, I'm not gonna be able to live the lifestyle I want to live just off of Social Security. So then the question is, well, where are you going to get the difference in money in order to live the lifestyle that you want to live? Now, let's say you have real estate. Great, real estate's performing an income to you. It's taxable income. You're not going to get into a lower bracket having real estate income. Well, I'm going to live off of my savings. Well, depending upon how your savings is placed, if it's in like money market accounts, CDs, things of that nature, it's going to be taxed at an ordinary income. If it's in the stock market, mutual funds, things of that nature, well, then maybe it will be taxed at capital appreciation, right? But if it's coming out of your IRA, which is where most of it's going to come out of because you've saved all of your life in your 401k or retirement plan at work, and now that's where you're going to take the money from, it's going to be taxed at ordinary income. So my point is that in retirement, you may not be in a lower tax bracket because of the fact that you're still pulling income from sources that are going to be taxed at ordinary tax brackets. So to me, the Roth IRA still is going to be the investment of choice versus the IRA. Now, everybody's states should be completely, separate, individual, different. Check with an advisor, have the numbers run to make sure you're doing the right thing. Or, better idea, why don't you go to one of the classes with Florida Adult Education? You can get to those by FLA.edu. Check out the classes, go to them. Then you'll learn a lot more about your personal situation and whether you'd like to go through and have either a Roth or an IRA. Have a great day.